Sean?
It is a pain for many people. In fact, for many drivers, today was the first day they actually tried to get out and drive since the snowstorm hit. And the snow and ice and freezing temperatures, as you can see out there, did not make things very easy. News 4 transportation reporter Adam Tuss is on road patrol for us tonight. So I'm just curious, Adam, what are you seeing out there in Northern Virginia?
You know, who wants easy, Sean? You know, we want a little bit of a challenge. No, really, we love some easy for sure, because it has certainly not been easy out here. Take a look at our drive cam here. We are on Kenny Drive in the Falls Church area, and you can see off to the side of the road where you would normally have parking lanes, maybe some cars parked in front of houses. Yeah, it is just stacked up, and this is what you run into so many times, right? You have this one little section of road. Someone's trying to move. Someone has to go into someone's driveway. You do the stare down and hopefully they don't reverse into you. So this is what you're finding on so many side streets as we're all just trying to kind of get back to normal. Yeah, and as so many people, I know so many people that today was the first day they were even attempting to get out and drive, and it certainly has not been normal. Huge, heaping snow piles that are nearly impossible to see around. And on the other side, drivers who can't see you. It's a recipe for trouble.
Yeah, I mean, fewer turn lanes, a little more difficult going around corners.
How about lanes on the roads and highways that just disappear out of nowhere, sometimes sending you into another lane before you know it?
Yeah, not fun. It's kind of hard to figure out where to go. I wonder if there's been more accidents because of it.
Well, this is a good one. The classic two-car standoff. I'll narrate it for you. You go backwards. Okay, keep going. I'm going forward. Keep going backwards. Back up. Back up. Thank you. Other drivers trying to inch around their fellow vehicles as best they can. A runner on Rock Creek Parkway. Not the trail, the actual parkway. Lots and lots and lots and lots of people trying to trek across the snow and ice on foot. Some are taking all of this in stride, though. Orlando is from Bolivia in South America, and he's never seen this.
You like the snow?
Yeah.
Tell me why.
I like, for example, it's my first time in the snow in my country, never in the life.
Willow giving credit where credit is due to her husband.
It took my husband almost 2 days to shovel out our steep driveway. It was about 4 inches of ice on top of a couple of inches of compacted snow. He had to hack it first and then shovel it. Yes. Am I over it? Well, not as much as he is, but yes.
Well, sir, we salute you. Just remember, if you are headed out for a drive for the first time, it is not a typical traffic pattern on the roads. And back here now live, this is Parkwood Terrace on Falls Church in the Falls Church area. You can see people trying to dig out here on the road for sure, and it is a community affair as we try to get everyone's car out and about. And yeah, this is what you're dealing with on some of the roads that have not really seen too much treatment and still need a little more help. This guy in front of us here, he's going to do the smart thing and kind of pull off to the side as everyone tries to take turns for getting around. Now, we're having a little bit of fun with this, guys, but really, if you have not been out of your neighborhood yet, out onto the main roads, just understand that it's not going to be your normal commute around. You're not just going to zip up to the grocery store. There are going to be those moments where that lane kind of disappears, or you have to really kind of inch out and be really, really careful. And especially as we're starting to get into the nighttime hours here, please, 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 everyone, be careful out there and have some patience.
I think
Mauricio, you're a great driver. You don't need any of those tips.
I don't need that.
You don't need any of those tips.
Everyone
know
else
exactly
out there,
what you're doing here on the road. Yeah.
You did a great job
exactly.
of navigating the back and forth of those cars out there, Adam. And I think, great advice. Mauricio doesn't need your advice, but everybody else out there does. Yes,
no,
indeed.
Not at all. He's got the Storm Team 4x4. He can get around no problem at all. He's got that.
All right. Thanks, Adam. We'll see you soon.
Adam. Appreciate it.